Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing something really different. It's not a usual art video. Today we are gonna review some art products. So I went to Michael's a few weeks ago, and whoever is not familiar with what Michael is, it's an art and craft store in Canada where you can find each and everything related to art, from a little pencil to a big canvases. And I picked up few stuff which I've literally never seen before. It might not be new for you, but I found it really interesting. So let's start with the first thing. You all might have heard about gouache colors. Have you ever heard about jelly gouache? No, right? So I picked up this pack of gouache jelly colors, which is from a brand called Artist Loaf, and most of the thing I picked up is from the similar brand because I found it cheap and it was quite affordable. They come in a pack of 6 with all basic 6 colors, which includes orange, green, blue, red, yellow and white. And if you touch it, it literally feels like a jelly. I'm going to show you how it looks like on paper as well. It says it can be diluted with water to change color intensity. If paint dries out, spray with water to reactivate. Dry times vary depending on paints diluted with paper weight. And if I'm trying on paper, it feels literally same like gouache colors. Moving on, I have one more interesting thing. These are the markers. You might be thinking, what's interesting in that? They are not your daily use markers. They are watercolor brush markers. Yeah, you heard it right. The watercolor brush markers. It means they will work like watercolors but in a marker form. Interesting, right? And similarly, they are also from Artist Loaf brand. They were just like $7.99 plus taxes, and we have like 10 colors in that. And I was like, it's a good deal to try on, right? The marker feels like usual markers if we use it, but if we dilute with water, it is literally like watercolors. We can use them with normal brushes after painting out our sketch. Quite interesting, right? Moving on, there's one more thing that I found really good and quite easy to use as well. This is called fabric marker. It is from a brand called Make Market. So there was a huge section in Michael's which was just selling the fabric colors, markers, paints and everything else. And I picked up this just to experiment how will it look on my jeans, my t-shirts and all the clothes I use. I picked up a black color. It was just for $4.99 plus taxes, and I think I will be making some good art out of this. Alright, so if you want to try these on your jeans, bags, t-shirts or anything you like, you can try with this markers and elevate the whole look of your t-shirt, of your clothes just by painting on it. That's it for the video. Let me know if you need more product reviews related to art, craft, DIY, and I'll bring them for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down below whatever you want to see on this channel and I'll bring back to you right away. Until next time, bye!